Hello, this is Corey with Action Box Breaks. We are about to do ID number 0485, 2016 Action Packs, Multi-Sport, one box break, personal box for Sath V. Good luck. Appreciate the business, and you've seen what's came out of here. Sick product. Here we go. No randomizing to do, just RIP-ing. We saw our first memorabilia come out today. That was pretty sweet. Magic Johnson auto. Jersey. Multi-sport product. Here we go. Let's see. First card. Oh, we got our first hockey card. This is 2015-16 Upper Deck Panarin. I'm not sure if you follow hockey. This is a 9-5 Gem Mint rookie Young Guns. Centering a 10, surface a 10. You got two 10s on there, 9-5 and a 9. That's a sweet card. A lot of people think he's going to get Rookie of the Year this year. So this card's probably going to go up and up. It's a pretty sweet card as far as the first card for rookies. Panarin. I actually have a guy that's a big Blackhawks fan that's in here. So if you are interested, I can always talk to him and see if he wants to buy it. All right. Next up, your main hit is... Oh, nice. Here we go. How about a Kevin Durant Hometown Heroes National Treasures autograph, numbered 2 of only 25. Oklahoma City Thunder. And that's actually out of the newly released 15-16 National Treasures. There you go. Kevin Durant auto, numbered to 25 on card from National Treasures. Can't go wrong with that, man. And that's the box. Congrats. That's awesome. Nice hit. Nice to see that one come out. Kevin Durant.